Yo Coffee Tech, and welcome to my video. I service and maintain coffee making equipment for coffee shops, restaurants, hotels, even the home. I often come across situations where coffee equipment operators can quite easily solve their own problems and avoid unnecessary downtime and loss of profit if they have the simple information available as a reference to them. There's nothing like a nice cup of coffee. The aroma, the taste, the flavor. You learn how to make great espresso coffee, offer more choices to add to your menu, and how to create designs when presenting coffee to your coffee lovers. You learn what can go wrong with your espresso coffee makers, how to repair and to service them. Please leave your comments on Yo's website and also let Yo have any questions regarding your coffee machine. Visit or contact Yo for advice at www.yocoffeetech.com. Go ahead and list your coffee machine technicians for free in Yo's website directory. So let's get started.